I am here with Claire from Smith Douglas Homes, here to talk about some technology that Smith Douglas offers where you're able to actually design your new home online. So Claire, talk me through this exciting technology and how it works.
Well, research has repeatedly revealed a strong desire for consumers to begin and build their home online. Like they can with almost every car manufacturer nowadays with other less expensive products such as jewelry and sneakers. In the past, new home buyers choosing to build from scratch have had to take a leap of faith that their new dream home would turn out the way they envisioned in their head. At Smith Douglas Homes, it's your home, your choice, within reach. And we back that up by offering an amazing selection of floor plans, structural options, a real-time home site availability map, exterior appearance packages, and interior finishes, including a wide variety of cabinetry, flooring, and lighting options. Furthermore, not only do we put these choices within reach of your budget, we literally present these choices to you at your fingertips at smithdouglas.com on any device.
Well, Claire, it really does sound wonderful, and it's more than just picking out your countertops and your cabinets, right?
That's right. With our interactive home designer, people can select their preferred location. They can also see the site map online with real-time availability. You can explore all of the plans and exterior elevations offered in that community. Choose the best fit plan for your needs and wants. Configure that plan to your ideal situation with additional bedrooms or bathrooms, windows, fireplaces, outdoor living spaces, and more. Tailor the home to your taste by choosing from several exterior appearance packages, including different bricks, stone, and colors. You can try them all on until you find the one that's just right.
Well, the kitchen is often the heart of the home, so what kind of design options are available for the kitchen?
Well, we also have a link that is specifically for that kitchen designer, so it's a great way for people to select their backsplash, their countertop, even lighting, and we can put all of that together and see how that looks. So whether you consider your style to be transitional, coastal, or farmhouse, you can have fun combining our finished choices from the comfort of your couch. These fantastic interactive tools allow you to save your selections, share them with others, and even connect with a Smith Douglas team member to get your ideal home priced out and under construction. Our goal at Smith Douglas Homes is to never build two identical homes. With our wide variety of choice, you can enjoy the experience of building your new dream home in a way that may seem like you're spending twice as much.
Well, Claire, I know it's so exciting for homeowners to start to design their homes. So what is the best way to find out more information?
You can visit our website at smithdouglas.com, and there's a tab that is Gallery, and this will take you to our interactive tools.
Well, Claire, thank you so much for being here with me today, and you will be amazed at what you can afford with Smith Douglas Homes, where it's your home, your choice, within reach.